So guys, I bought a sewing machine without any sewing experience. Who wants to teach me how to sew? Anyways, hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, in today's video, as you can see, we are going to be doing unboxing. We are going to be unboxing this brand new sewing machine together. So guys, are you ready? I have been wanting to buy this sewing machine for a very long time now. You know, you have to save money, and I've been saving for a very long time. And finally, I got my brand new sewing machine. Guys, I'm super excited to share this news with you guys. I bought this sewing machine because of my wig making business. With this sewing machine, I will be able to make as many wigs as possible. You know, before I used to make like 2 a day, and with the help of this machine, I will be able to make like 5 wig a day. So guys, yeah, I'm super excited. Also, to be able to make beautiful dresses for my guests. In fact, sewing machine has so many purposes. It's what every woman should have.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Great, 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
it up. Oh, what is happening? Okay. Oh, wow. It's good. So this one needs to come out here too. Not come out and wear your face.
They remove all those things, they remove them. There's a selective Let's go stop them. If they won't do anything, they'll call this here. Come on, see your leg not there. Call this here, put clothes. Start to the day.
So guys, this sewing machine is very strong. I went for this particular one because I want to be able to sew anything and everything. If you want to get yours, I bought it online. If you live in Germany, you can get it in Otto, or you can also get it in shop. Just tell them you want single heavy duty. It cost me 370 euros to get it. That is like $400. Okay, if you want a proper tour, let me know at the comment section. I will do a proper tour for you guys. Okay, and guys, drop a comment at the comment section if you want to know what I have learned so far, how to fix thread, how to do this, how to do that. Please drop a comment. I will be glad to make that video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.